Viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Today I am going to discuss the importance of protective measures against coronavirus and the harmful effects of not adopting protective measures against coronavirus in mathematical context. For that we have to understand this graph. Here you see that we take number of cases on y-axis and time on x-axis. This is curve number 1 and this is curve number 2, and this horizontal line represents the healthcare system of a particular country. Now what is healthcare system of a particular country? From healthcare system we means that number of doctors, number of nurses, number of ventilators and number of other medical equipments available for the citizen of particular country in order to treat them. Now as you people know very well that coronavirus is basically nowadays becomes a global pandemic disease because it's spreading from person to person, and nowadays it's spreading in several lakhs peoples, and large number of people are infected and thousands of deaths occurs due to the coronavirus, and still there is no antiviral drug available for this virus. Now by not adopting the protective measures means by not keeping the social distancing, by not washing hands, by not wearing masks and not adopting other precautionary measures, the number of infected persons rising day by day, and in a few weeks it rises to 1,000 and lakhs. So in that case we get this curve number 1, and this curve number 1 shows that in start the number of infected persons are less because of time is very less spent, and when the time goes on the number of infected person increasing. By not adopting the protective measures, the number of people that are infected rises to several thousands, and the big example of that is basically Italy. In Italy, in first week there are only 3 cases and 0 deaths. In second week there are 322 cases and 11 deaths, and in next week there are 2502 cases and 80 deaths, and in another week there are 10,149 cases and 631 deaths. And nowadays you people know that yesterday there are around about 500 deaths occurs in Italy, and several 40 to 50,000 are infected due to this coronavirus, and the main reason for that is by not adopting the protective measures, by not keeping the social distancing. Now as you people know that this healthcare system line shows us that the region above this line is not lying under the capability or health capacity of particular country, due to which the peoples which is basically represented by this portion of curve are not treatable, or these people are cannot be treated by the particular country because the number of nurses, number of doctors and number of ventilators are not available for these people. With it is only available for the people which lying below this line. So now how we can flatten this curve, how we can flatten this curve by beating the coronavirus? For that we have to adopt protective measures by social distancing, by washing our hands, and stay at home, stay safe and stay at home. Now if we adopt the protective measures, if we stay at home and if we keep the social distance among each other, then this curve becomes like this, which is basically the curve number 2, which comes as a result of the protective measures. Now if we adopt the protective measures, so you clearly see here that this curve now lies under the healthcare system, which means that if these people are infected, then these people can be treated by the staff or the medical staff of a particular country, because all the instruments and medical staff are available for these persons. Also you can see here that the number of cases in this case are very low, or very small compared to the number of cases in this case, which is represented on y-axis. Number of cases increasing on y-axis as time goes on in first curve, but here you see that time goes on but the number of cases are very less because the virus is spreading very less And when the virus spreading very less because of the adoption of the protective measures, then the healthcare system is capable for treating those patients. And you people already aware that almost up to 9 to 95% of our people are recoverable, and only there are 3% of people are their their chances in order to death occur for that people. So thanks for your time. I hope you like this video.